Hey guys, I'm MacPaverick from Germany. Yes, I really love plants and I love gardening. On this YouTube channel I want to share my experience with you. In this video I want to show you how you can propagate your Monstera plant. The best time for Monstera propagating is in spring or in the early summer. Use a sharp knife to cut off a piece of your Monstera. The piece should be approximately 50 or 20 centimeters long with aerial roots. Now put the cutting in a vase of rainwater and put it on a bright warm location. The temperature should be about 25 degrees Celsius, and change the water every 3 days, and after about 4 weeks the plant will get roots. So it takes only 3 weeks and now you can see some roots at my cutting. Now I take the cutting and plant it in a pot with soil. That's my new plant. Now I can water my plant. Actually that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss a video like this, watch my next video. Bye bye.